Hi Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 14th to July the 17th reading, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV, no? May mga readings din po tayo doon. So might as well check on it. Aries, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Kung gusto nyo maka-avail ng ating free, so may paraffol tayo ng free reading, no? Manood kayo hanggang sa dulo. So magsimula na tayo. Aries, so parang sa ngayon, kung kailan tayo nakaka-move on, kung kailan parang nagiging okay na, no? Tsaka naman kumakatok itong either pag-ibig, no? Or either itong si person, no? Wala pa naman dito yung mga cards. So, one thing's for sure, may kumakatok sa puso ninyo. Either this is the ex or a new person. We are still in the process of healing, no? Sabihin natin na fresh pa yung wound kasi ng separation, no? Kaya sa'yo, parang feeling mo na walan ka ng tiwala, no? Na mag-trust sa mga tao, na wala yung tiwala mo na ibigay, no? Yung 100% mo. And I feel like you are creating walls. I feel like you have boundaries. What I am also seeing in here is parang, kumbaga, kung sino man itong kumakatok, no? Whether this is a new person or your ex, bakit na yun? No? Para ano? Para guluhin na naman ang aking mundo. Ayan. Para guluhin na naman ang aking puso. I think that, like what it says in here, you're going back to basic. What I am seeing in here is, let's say, sabihin natin na you are starting to focus on yourself, no? To focus on your growth, to focus on, sabihin natin, makabangon muli, no? To focus on, sabihin natin, makamove forward, no? For a few numbers of you, you started with, siguro, meditation, prayers, no? Yung iba to a point na nagsisimula na sila uling asikasuhin ang kanilang sarili physically, no? So, baka may nagpa-cutics, ayan, maayos na, no? Proud ako kasi inayos ko na the last time, cheap eh. Yung iba nagpagupit, nagpakulay, no? The Empress is here. To a certain point, with no judgment, no? Baka iniisip natin or baka freshly wound pa rin ito, we did under the knife. We have gone through under the knife. Or probably thinking of it, no, magpa-enhance. Wala namang problema as long as hindi tayo umaapak ng tao, no? So, sarili niyo yan, buhay niyo yan. Kung diyan kayo masaya at diyan kayo makakahugot ng inspiration, why not, by all means, no? Pero, eto na nga, kung kailan parang okay ka na, eto na naman si pag-ibig, eto na naman si Cupido, kumakatok-katok, no? And I feel like may taong mapilit, no? Whether it is, sabihin natin, kasi Four of Swords, parang sinabi mo dito, napagod ka. Napagod na akong magmahal. Napagod na akong pagkatiwalaan ka, si person. Napagod na akong pagkatiwalaan ang mga lalaki, ang mga babae, no? Or the entire human being, nawalan ako ng faith, no? Sa isang katauhan, ganun kalala. It kind of make me feel that you're pushing the person away, whoever this person is. Nandun pa rin yung heightened energy. Siyempre, fineflex ko yung aking magandang kuko ngayon. Nandun pa rin yung heightened energy, nandun pa din yung galit, yung ines, no? somehow, kasi you are still on the process of healing. You're not fully healed. So, kumbaga, nasugatan ka. You're trying to cure yourself, no? Pero eto na naman siya yung nanakit sa'yo, no? Again, the love per se, no? Pwedeng ibang tao, pero, you know, the essence of eto na naman si pag-ibig, eto na naman si Cupido, kumakatok-katok, no? Ayaw mo pero mapilit, no? Mapilit ka ding, kumbaga meron kayo ditong tulak-tulak, no? Habang tinutulak itong taong ito, siya naman yung parang tong sundalo. Alam mo yon? The more na nasusugatan, the more din na mas may pinaglalaban, no? With the Queen of Swords, let's clarify the Three of Wands and the Queen of Cups. So parang sa'yo, I'm not into a relationship right now. I'm focusing on myself. I'm not into you right now. Kahit sabihin mo pang gusto mo ko, no? Hindi sa nagpapahabol tayo, no? Hindi sa nagpapaka-choosy tayo, hindi sa nag-iinarte tayo. Baka nandito ka talaga sa pace ng buhay na sinasabi mo, sarili ko muna, no? Probably I'm also thinking of giving birth of a new idea is the Empress as well, na baka kailangan kong mag-focus sa business. Mag-start ako ng business, no? Mag-start ako ng YouTube channel, what have you, no? Yung sa'yo, ang ginagawa mo dito, minamahal mo yung sarili mo. Kaysa nga naman, ibigay mo yung cup mo sa iba, ako na lang iinom, no? Ako na lang iinom ng aking cup. So, I'm seeing here that somewhat you are happy and someone is actually watching, wanting to join, no? The happiness that you are experiencing. So, parang, itong taong to, no, itong nag-observe sa'yo. So, you're being watched, no? Someone's probably stalking you or laging nagtatanong about you, no? I feel like kilala mo naman itong taong to. With the Two of Wands, parang sabi niya dito, bakit kaya yung ngiti niya napaka-genuine ngayon, no? Bakit kaya ang saya-saya niya? Gusto kong maranasan kung paano maging masaya with the person. So kung exit to, bakit ka umalis, no? Loss mo yun. With the six, pinagalitan ko yung cross watchers. Six of Swords, Three of Swords, and the Lovers. So chances are, no, it might gonna be a very direct, or sabihin natin napaka-personal reading. I'm going to butt this in, pero let's go broader, no, afterwards. Let's say, may mga abangers. Ganito kasi yan. The abangers are, let's say, a friend of your ex, you know, na nagkakagusto din sa'yo. I'm giving one example, no? Let's not limit to this, pero ito yung pinaka-direct na pwede kong gawing example. So, parang itong friend ni ex is nag-aantay lang pahupain, no? Itong sabihin nating separation ninyo. And parang papasok siya sa buhay mo. Siguro yung iba, out of sabihin natin, may delikadesa naman ako, no? Somehow, you're pushing the person away. I think na siguro, pumuporma na, no? Pero you're pushing the person away. Siguro din naman, siguro sinasabi mo, may kahihiyan din naman ako. For a few numbers of you, baka nag-aalinlangan tayo kasi nga naman, hindi siya magandang tignan. Pero who cares, di ba? Who cares? That's your life, no? And besides, separated naman na kayo ni person, no? I feel like ito ngayon si X is nafe-feel niya na ay pinopormahan or popormahan. So merong sense of urgency. So parang ay hindi pwede, no? Akin kasi yan eh. Akin si Aries eh. Hindi pwedeng merong aangkin dyan. So I feel like makikipag-bunong braso, no? Yung ganyan, makikipaglaban talaga siya. And with the Three of Swords, no, parang feeling ko nasasaktan din siya with the Six of Pentacles, kinarma, Knight of Pentacles, no? Parang, ito yung sinasabi natin, nasa kamay ko na, nawala pa. Hay, so ang laking panghihinayang, no? Kasi ngayon pa na may pumoporma o poporma sa'yo, no? Whether you're gonna accept the person or not, it's your choice. Again, wala tayong judgment. As long as you're gonna be happy, let's go for it, Aries, no? Whether you're gonna go back to your person or not, as long as you're happy, but I hope that you are going to be genuinely happy. But I feel like kung ano man itong pipiliin mo or kung sino man itong pipiliin mo, that's gonna be a lasting commitment, no? So, let's check here it could be your emotion or your person's emotion, ano? I remember the day we met like it was yesterday. So it felt like your person here is walking down memory lane, no? So parang sinasabi natin dito na um, si person parang ngayon taing-tae, no? Na kunin ka uli. Kasi parang nagre-reminisce, gusto niyang balikan, gustong kanyang kunin uli, no? So nandun yung nauntog, no? Sabihin natin nauntog na si person. We were always meant to meet. It was written in the stars. So eto na. Si bagong person naman, parang ang sinasabi niya dito is destined tayong magkita, no? Siguro itong si person lang ang itong si X lang ang naging tulay, no? Sa ating pagkikita. Ayan. Ano pa ba yung ibang broader example in here? Sabi ko kasi, di ba, let's go broader afterwards. Or let's say, nakita niya na, meron na pumoporma sa'yo, si person, no? At hindi, ang pinaka-bottom line dito is hindi siya makakapayag, no? Na merong ibang pumoporma sa'yo. Kaya, parang may sense of urgency, no? Hindi papayag si person. Ang magandang title yun, hindi papayag si person na may ibang puporma sa'yo, no? So, parang pinoprotektahan ka rin niya. Bakit pinakawalan? Anyway, that's another story. Tingnan natin, no? That's another reading. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. A Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Leo. I'm also seeing here Pisces, Scorpio, no? So Leo, meron pa ba tayong nakalimutan? So wala na. Yan, so Capricorn, no? Yan. So this is your reading, Aries. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, nagla-live din po tayo doon. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, sa comment section pwede naman po kayo magtanong, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, nandun po yung aking link. At yun lang po, dun lang po ako nagtatransact, no? How much per question, the modes of payment, the number, QR codes, the name to compare with. So kapag hindi po yun, no? Hindi po nag-match doon, it's not me, no? Kung meron mga nagme-message sa inyo. So I also created a promotional question of 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. If you also want to book a private reading, and if it is urgent, nandun po ang nasa description box din po yun. No? Basahin nyo hanggang baba. So, pumunta na tayo no, dito sa promotion natin. No? Or, I mean, paraffle. Paano mananalo ng free reading? No? When I say it's free. No? Walang no strings attached. So, kaya tayo late ng pag-post ng videos, no? Kasi nandyan pa rin yung fake accounts. So, makikita nyo rin sa boses ko, either it's pagod, malat, pawala na, feeling nyo magkakasakit ako. Yes, that's also my feeling kasi I'm also taking actions on it. So, umaalis ako ng bahay, no? Nakipag-usap tayo sa mga tao, imbis na sana nakafocus na lang tayo dito sa readings, no? So, it requires a massive reporting. So, nasa description box po nandun po yung link, yung fake account link, no? Paki-report po, then take a screenshot, tapos nandun din po sa description box, no? I created a specific email para po doon sa entry, no? So, once you reported, take a screenshot, send it to that email, no? And then, pag nagapi natin yan, I'm going to select, no, a winner. And also, no, one entry, one screenshot, one entry. So, dapat ibang, baka naman kunyari 11 o'clock, no? Ni-report nyo 3 times. So, ibahin nyo naman yung time para makita natin yung na merong difference kasi one entry, no? Kapag same time, considered as one entry, no? So, kung 11 o'clock, nag-report kayo, 11:15, ni-report nyo, that's considered 2 entries, no? Hindi ko kayo lilimit kung gaano ka dami yung i-report. As a thank you din sa effort ninyo, no? Of course, that will be free of charge. So, Aries, maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.